Hey guys, thanks for your interest in our quick coat gap and seam fill. What do we use this for? We use it for a lot of stuff. We love using this on our woodworking projects, especially where those cracks and crevices are, or where a knot is and you got those little spider cracks coming out. We'll do one of two things. We'll either accentuate those with a real bright ocean blue or one of our metallic colors, or you can tint it with our black metallic or coffee or a real natural color, and then those cracks don't jump out at you, but they look like that natural resin that those trees produce. We like using this when we embed the bars underneath the slabs to stabilize everything so that doesn't cup and warp and your tables don't move. We also like this on our river table to attach both the pieces of the wood and get that river real stabilized and makes that table strong as an ox. We really like this product for those reasons. Also, it dries really quickly. So we could sand this product usually in about 3 hours depending on temperature, but we work in about 70 degrees. In 3 hours, we're ready to sand and it doesn't hold our timelines up. Hey, if you have any questions on our quick coat, feel free to call us for free project support. And until next time, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. Quick coat.